Understanding UAC and why you shouldn't disable it. That dialog box which dims your screen and asks whether you really want to allow this app to make changes. Everyone finds it annoying. A surprising number of people turn it off. Let's talk about what it actually does. User account control exists because even an administrator account doesn't run with full privileges all the time. Programs start with limited rights, and when one genuinely needs to modify the system, Windows asks you first. That prompt is the boundary between a program that can change your desktop and one that can change your operating system. Turning it off means every program you launch silently inherits full administrative power. The screen dimming isn't decoration either. It's a secure desktop that ordinary software can't draw on or click for you. If the prompts bother you, reduce their frequency in Control Panel rather than disabling the feature entirely.